be a success in making money online by using these ideas. Every time you read comments on a blog, news video and other online media, there are bound to be a few comments about how to make money online. However, the safest and most lucrative ways to make money online are not advertised so frequently. Keep watching to learn about legitimate ways to make money online. Before you set your heart on making money online, set your household up. Making sure you are free from interruptions can be a very important part of your success. Children, spouses and other people can cut you off at the most inconvenient times. Make sure your time is your own, so you can maximize earnings. Get paid to review some of the new products that are out on the market today. This is a great way for companies to determine if their new products are a hit or miss, as they will pay good money to get an opinion on them. Get the word out on these products and pull in the cash. Provide services to people on Fiverr. This is a site that allows people to get anything that they want, from media design to promotions, for a flat rate of $5. There is a $1 charge for each service that you sell, but if you do a high quantity, the profit can add up. Design unique logos for some of the new startup sites on the web. This is a great way for you to show the talent that you have and also help someone out who is not artistically skilled. Negotiate the price with your client in advance before you provide your service. As stated above, you have probably seen many offers on ways to make money online. Most of these opportunities are actually scams. But there are tried and trusted ways to make money online, as well. Follow the tips listed above to find the work you need on the internet. Student loan.